Rich Robin here, giving this brand new 2448 smoker a test run. You can see the smoke coming out. Color Pro hopper. Got on low smoke mode right now. I'm just testing it to make sure everything works. And so far it is doing what it's supposed to do. I started out on low smoke mode there. And I'm gonna let the smoke dissipate. Once the fans kick in, let the smoke dissipate. And then we hit it at 225 and let it run up to 225, and then we'll shut it down. Just want to make sure everything on it's working. You can see down there now, the fire pot's blazing now, so that smoke's gonna start clearing out. And there you go. Still see it. And we're gonna close the door here in a minute and hit our button to 225. See it start to thin out. That's what it's supposed to do. It's gonna get to where you almost don't see any smoke. Let's go. 225 right there. Just let it roll. I'm gonna put my hands down because I put my lower food tray down back there on the bottom. Anyway, that's all I'm doing. Just testing it, make sure everything's working before it goes out.